she's all clean and washed now. What's up, guys? We are gonna just do bits of maintenance on my car, probably the next couple videos. And today, well, she's gonna get tires rotated. On my last video, we installed the clutch master and the clutch slave, and it kind of went smoothly. Well, actually it did go smoothly, I just didn't know. So I got pressure on it, took it for a test drive. It was kind of like non-responsive. It wasn't engaging properly like how it should. I thought it was the new EM2 clutch master, because it's like different, so I thought it'd be like a whole different car. But that was fine. It was my actual clutch, like the flywheel and like everything that's inside the transmission. That's toasted, like it's burnt. So like every time I tried revving the engine, or every time I put gas on my car, it would just be like I was revving it. It wouldn't even move. So all right, we're gonna order my clutch and flywheel soon. So the next couple of videos are just gonna be maintenance on my car, so we can have my car freshly, properly on, brand new fluids and everything. Before we get my clutch installed, before it arrives here, I want to be able to like knock all of it down. All right, safety first. Gotta use that for me. They're all secured properly, so you don't die doing what you love. All right, so I'm pretty sure there's two ways to rotate your tires. I think you like take the front ones and just like directly put them in the back, and get the rear tires and like cross swap them. I think that's one of the ways. I think I'll show you picture 1, picture 2. I'll see which one I do. I gotta like look through it and then I'll see how it goes. So the way I'm gonna do it is take the front 2 tires, put them just right in the rear, and take the 2 rear ones and put them and cross them. So the left rear is gonna go in the right front, the right rear is gonna go on the left front. So should be pretty easy, simple install. And yep, let's do it. All right. That was literally just one. That was kind of tiring. I don't know if you could cross thread the lug nuts, but it kind of felt that way. So I was just like unscrewing it and screwing it back in, but it seems to be fine. Yep. See you then. Whew. I know they're just rotating tires, but like, sheesh, it takes quite a bit of work. This whole video is just gonna be time lapse, so bear with me. Alright, I've been trying to record for like 5 minutes here, and I just hear some birds. Okay, let's pretend I didn't forget which was what. So yes, alright, front left, front right, rear left. Okay. Alright, you know, it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Let's just time lapse this bitch. I did it. I got all 4 tires rotated. So next time when I drive, it should be good. So what's next? What's wrong with my car? So we're done with that. Nice. So when my car gets running, everything should be good. All right, that's basically it for today's video. I think I just need to talk about like my car. So what I need to do next, besides all the maintenance stuff and shit, I have to like remove the front axle to have access to the transmission. First, I'm going to take off everything off the transmission, remove the axle, then remove the transmission, and then open it up, take out the flywheel, take off the clutch, and then put the new one in. So I've seen like a couple videos, and installing it seems super easy. So I'm gonna just do it myself. So the only hard part is like dismantling everything. Like I'm not looking forward to dismantling my front axle because I've never done it before. And hopefully when I do that, everything will be like easy to put back on. I think my only worry is that I might not have enough jack stands and enough jacks. But I found an engine lift in my backyard because my uncle had one. So we could use that. So hopefully everything goes good. That video will be up when my clutch arrives. So maybe like next week or something. So my next couple of videos will just be maintenance and stuff. So let's put my car down. And yep, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's kind of hot in here, but it's noisy out there. So let's just end this video now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video. Later.